Welcome to the Higgins Report. If you are new to the Higgins Report, please consider subscribing. We're on YouTube and Rumble. I'm Mike Higgins, reporting, and here's my report. Monkeypox. What the hell is this? Suddenly, this virus pops out of nowhere? Have you heard of this before? Are they serious? Are you scared yet? You taking monkeypox precautions? Today, May 20th, 2022, the World Health Organization held an emergency meeting. See? This is scary. There's an outbreak in Europe in at least 9 countries. There's also cases in Australia, Canada, the US. Pretty mysterious. Why is this rare disease suddenly being detected everywhere? Doesn't sound strange. We need another crisis. There's no doubt about it. COVID variant, that's old news. Nobody's going to pay attention to a lousy variant. COVID. But a pox? A pox? That sounds serious. Smallpox? No. Monkeypox. Seriously? I don't think people are going to buy this one. I could be wrong. These crises need to be bigger, badder, nastier each time. Otherwise, people are going to get used to it. I'm thinking asteroid next. It's coming. At least to the US. I'm thinking beginning of November. We'll all have to bunker down. They already tipped their hand with that stupid Don't Look Up movie. Doesn't matter. They think we're stupid. They're mostly right. Anyway, you know, that'll mean mail-in ballots. You don't want to be voting in person when the asteroid hits. You won't need a mask for this one. Biden will pass out helmets, asteroid helmets, you know, the good ones from China. The asteroid, it'll be a near miss. That was a close one. Good thing we wore the helmets. Thanks, Joe. They'll put Joe in the basement too with the helmet in front of a 1980s asteroid video game. They'll tell jackass Joe, Joe, you're saving the world. What's he know? Monkeypox. Come on. I don't know. Maybe they're just testing the waters here. How much bullshit can fly? They can't just jump right to the asteroid. Once it misses, what's next? You got to top it. How you going to top that? UFOs? Aliens? Maybe 2024. Maybe Trump is an alien. And not the kind crossing our borders. The kind that pops out of your chest. I knew it. The hair. That gave it away. Monkeypox. Please. That concludes this Higgins Report. I've reported my report. Make sure to check out HigginsReport.com for the latest in current events. That's it.